Hey there, wildlife enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of the orcs, exploring how these majestic creatures have evolved to thrive in some of the harshest environments on Earth. I'm excited to introduce you to 4 incredible species of orcs, each with its own unique characteristics that set them apart from one another. Get ready to be amazed by the beauty and resilience of these animals. Let's go! But before we delve into the specifics, it's crucial to address the challenges these orcs species were facing in the wild, from habitat loss due to human encroachment to the devastating effects of poaching. These majestic animals are fighting to survive against all odds. First up, we have the gemsbok oryx. Imagine a deer and a zebra had a baby. That's the gemsbok for you. They sport striking black and white face markings that look like they've been painted on by an artist. Their long, straight horns can grow up to 33 inches long and are perfect for defense. Gemsboks live in the arid regions of southern Africa, especially in the Kalahari Desert. They thrive in the open, dry savannas and grasslands. These oryxes have a unique adaptation to heat. They can raise their body temperature to avoid sweating and conserve water. They munch on grasses, leaves, and even fruits when they can find them. They get most of their water from the food that they eat. Gemsboks have a gestation period of about 9 months, usually giving birth to one calf. The calves can run with the herd just a few hours after birth. Gemsboks are an important part of the ecosystem and local culture, symbolizing strength and resilience. Gemsboks are amazing at surviving in the deserts. They can go without water for weeks, getting moisture from the plants they eat. Talk about a dry diet. If you thought going without your phone for a day was tough, try living like a gemsbok. Next, we have the Bisa oryx. Think of the Bisa as the gemsbok's cousin who lives in East Africa. They have similar stylish markings but are slightly smaller and have straight horns that can grow up to 30 inches long. Bisa oryxes are found in the semi-arid and arid regions of East Africa, including Ethiopia, Kenya, and Somalia. They prefer grasslands and lightly wooded areas. They are well adapted to dry environments and can endure high temperatures by feeding during the cooler parts of the day. Their diet consists mainly of grasses, leaves, and shrubs. They can survive without direct water for long periods. The Bisa oryx has similar gestation period to the gemsbok, around 8.5 months. Calves are born in secluded spots and join the herd after a few weeks. Bisa oryxes play a crucial role in their ecosystems, and their horns are used in local traditional practices. Bisa oryxes are team players. They live in herds, and their teamwork helps them avoid predators. Safety in numbers, right? It's like always having a buddy system. No lion's gonna mess with the herd. Now let's meet the scimitar-horned oryx. This one sounds like something out of a fairy tale, doesn't it? Named after its curved, sword-like horns, the scimitar-horned oryx Has a cool white coat with a reddish-brown neck and chest. Originally from North Africa, they inhabited the edge of the Sahara Desert. Now they're found mainly in conservation programs. Scimitar horned oryxes are well suited for desert life with adaptations to handle extreme heat and scarce water. They feed on grasses, herbs, and juicy roots, which provide much of their hydration. Their gestation period is about 8.5 months, and calves are praesical, meaning they're quite developed at birth. Extinct in the wild, these oryxes are a symbol of conservation success as they are being bred and reintroduced into the protected areas. Sadly, these oryxes are extinct in the wild, but they're making a comeback through the breeding programs and reintroduction projects. Imagine being so special that you need a personal reintroduction to the wild. Talk about a grand entrance. Last but not least, we have the Arabian Oryx. With a name like that, you'd expect something fancy, right? And they don't disappoint. These oryxes are pure white with black markings and straight horns. Arabian oryxes live in the deserts of the Arabian Peninsula. They were once extinct in the wild, but have been successfully reintroduced. They are highly adapted to desert life, with large hooves for walking on sand and a white coat to reflect the sunlight. Arabian oryxes eat grasses, herbs, and roots. They can detect rain and will travel long distances to find fresh growth. Their gestation period is about 8 months, and they usually give birth to a single calf. The young stay hidden for a few weeks before joining the herd. The Arabian oryx is the national symbol in many Gulf countries and represents the success of wildlife conservation. Arabian oryxes are desert specialists. They can detect rain from miles away and will move to find fresh new plants. It's like having a built-in weather app. Who needs a meteorologist when you've got an Arabian oryx around? Now, here's the exciting part, uncovering the fascinating facts and behaviors that make each species stand out. Did you know the Arabian oryx can survive without water for weeks, relying on moisture from the plants it eats? Or that the gemsbok can reach speeds of up to 35 miles per hour to evade predators? These animals are true survivors in the wild. In conclusion, the world of Oryx is a testament to the wonders of nature and the importance of conservation. By learning about the species and their challenges they face, we can all play a part in ensuring their survival for future generations. Remember, every small effort counts in protecting these magnificent animals. I urge you to continue exploring the diverse wildlife on our channel and share your thoughts on Oryx conservation in the comments below. Together we can make a difference in preserving the beauty of nature and the incredible species that call it home. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay wild. And if you're interested in some external links for further reading, we've got number 1, National Geographic, Gemsbok Oryx. Number 2, African Wildlife Foundation, Bisa Oryx. Number 3, Smithsonian's National Zoo, Scimitar Horned Oryx. And number 4, IUCN Red List, Arabian Oryx.